What's going on, gang? You feel me? This is JR. Just left T in the room. We out here enjoying ourselves out in Glacier Park Casino. You know, we got a video coming up, but that soon. We already got the footage, you feel me? We just gotta go cut some things out. Yeah. They tried to kick us out earlier because they told us we can't do no recording, but I mean, shit. It is what it is. But we got in, we played, won some money, lost some money. But, I mean, that's what you do when you gamble, though. But, you know, we chilling. Really, we were supposed to go back to the other spot, but we couldn't, you know. We got stuck in the damn blizzard. Shit snowing so bad down here, you can't even see the fucking road. Shit is crazy. You know. So right now, I'm on my way down to the front desk. Man, I lost my other room key. Maybe I took the wrong one. But, yeah, man, this damn elevator, they got some weird shit going on. I gotta swipe my room key just to use the damn elevator. Shit is crazy. But anyway, gang, you feel me? We got, oh shit. We got a lot of things planned for y'all. You know. Y'all gotta give me a second. I'm trying to get everything together. We got a lot of things planned, a lot of things going on. A lot of big things happening. So, y'all just stay tuned. You know, we appreciate y'all that subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because there's a lot of things coming, man. A lot of things coming. We just want to share our life and our blessings with y'all. You know. But I just wanted to go ahead and put this out there. We go ahead and we get up to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to go ahead and do a giveaway. You know, don't really know what it is yet, but we're going to figure that out. It might be like, you know, $150, $200 gift card. Something small, you know, our first giveaway. Just, you know, just to get things, let's get things going just a little bit. I'm still 2 forks. But that's what we got planned. You know, got a lot of big things coming up. I'm gonna say that once again. But just so y'all know, it's always good to share your blessings, man. That's all we trying to do. Just trying to show y'all how we live. Ain't shit lavish, but you know, we make the best of it every day. So that's it for me. I'm gonna see y'all later. Y'all make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe, man. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell right beside it to get the notifications when new videos go up. Yeah, they coming, man. They coming real soon. We're gonna try to get like 2-3 videos out. You know, we're gonna try out every day. But, or at least 3 to 4 times a week. You know, something small, something simple. But we got y'all. Don't forget that. We love y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. This is JR. I'm out. You feel me? Gang, gang.